The X70 is definitely an upgrade when it comes to comfort. It starts with an extra wide seat that's comfortable for people of all shapes and sizes. The ultra wide seat is a total game changer. It's designed specifically to provide better support and reduce pressure on your inner thighs, making it incredibly comfortable, especially for taller users or the elderly. One of my favorite features has to be the 4 seasons temperature sensing. We're in the middle of a pretty cold winter here in South Alabama, and there's nothing worse than sitting on an ice cold seat. The X70 seat is always nice and warm. The temperature sensing also extends to the water and the dryer, so everything adjusts to match the season automatically. This has a wash mode for everyone, a kid-friendly standard wash, a comfort pulse wash for the elderly, and a gentle feminine wash. The built-in dryer is certainly a nice touch and has helped my family reduce our paper use by a substantial amount. And for those times you get deep into your favorite novel, there's even a prolonged sitting reminder that gives you a gentle nudge if you've been there for more than 15 minutes.